How Not to Die, from diabetes, obesity, and brain diseases. Welcome to part 3 of our How Not to Die book summary series by Dr. Michael Greger. In this video, we're looking at how to fight back against diabetes, obesity, and brain diseases, 3 of the most life-altering yet highly preventable health conditions in the modern world. Let's begin with type 2 diabetes. For decades, diabetes has been blamed mostly on sugar. But the real story is more complicated. According to Dr. Greger, fat, not sugar, may be the biggest driver of insulin resistance. When we eat a diet high in saturated fats and animal products, fat builds up inside our cells, blocking insulin from doing its job. This leads to higher blood sugar, then medications, and eventually complications like blindness, kidney failure, and amputations. But here's the good news. Numerous studies show that type 2 diabetes can be reversed with a whole food, plant-based diet. By removing animal fats and processed foods and loading up on fiber-rich plant foods, many patients see their blood sugar normalize, sometimes in just weeks. Some are able to reduce or even eliminate medications entirely under medical supervision. Now let's talk about obesity, one of the biggest public health problems today. According to Dr. Greger, the secret to healthy weight loss is not calorie counting, but calorie density. That means focusing on foods that are high in nutrients and low in calories by volume, like fruits, vegetables, beans, and whole grains. You can eat until you're full without overeating calories, because plant foods are naturally lower in energy density than processed and animal-based foods. In other words, you don't have to be hungry to lose weight. You just have to eat the right foods. Finally, let's explore brain diseases like Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's is now being called type 3 diabetes because of its link to insulin resistance and inflammation in the brain. And while there's no cure, prevention through diet is showing real promise. Dr. Greger highlights brain-boosting foods that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Turmeric for its anti-inflammatory effects. Berries and leafy greens to protect cognitive function. Omega-3s from sources like flax seeds and walnuts, and avoiding foods that damage brain cells like trans fats and excess iron. In short, your brain needs plants to function at its best. From blood sugar balance to fat loss and mental clarity, these changes don't require a miracle drug. They require daily choices. Dr. Greger reminds us, every forkful is a decision between sickness and health. In the next video, we'll look at his famous Daily Dozen checklist, the simple science-backed formula to help you eat for longevity every single day. If this message resonated with you, hit the like button, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe so you don't miss part 4. Take control of your health, starting now.